Hello students of Standard 9th. Welcome to the digital campus of DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin with an online session of agriculture. Our today's topic is nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen cycle is the process by which nitrogen is converted between its various chemical forms. This transformation can be carried out through both biological and physical processes. Important processes in the nitrogen cycle include fixation, ammonification, nitration or nitrification, and denitrification. The majority of Earth's atmosphere contains 78% is nitrogen, making it a large pool of nitrogen. However, atmospheric nitrogen has limited availability for biological use, leading to a scarcity of usable nitrogen in many types of ecosystem. The nitrogen cycle is of particular interest to the ecologists because nitrogen availability can affect the rate of key ecosystem process. Primary productions and decompositions. Human activities such as fossil fuel combustion, use of artificial nitrogen, fertilizers, and release of nitrogens in wastewater have dramatically altered the global nitrogen. The importance of bacteria in the cycle is immediately recognized as being a key element in the cycle, providing different forms of nitrogen compounds assembled by higher organisms. Nitrogen is present in the environment in a wide range of chemical forms, including organic nitrogen, ammonium, nitrate, nitrite, nitrogen oxide, nitric oxide, or inorganic nitrogen gases. The chemical formula of the above elements are given with their name. Organic nitrogen may be in the form of an living organism, humus, or in the intermediate products of organic matters. Decomposition, the process of the nitrogen cycle transfers nitrogenous or nitrogen forms one form to another. Many of those processes are carried out by microbes, either in their efforts to harvest energy or to accumulate nitrogen in a form needed for their growth. The diagram shows above how these processes fit together to form the nitrogen. Nitrogen fixation. Atmospheric nitrogen must be processed or fixed to be used by plants. Some fixation occurs by lightning strikes, but most fixation is done by free living or symbiotic bacteria known as rhabdoids. These bacteria have the nitrogenous enzymes that combines gaseous nitrogen with hydrogen to produce ammonia, which is converted by the bacteria into other organic. Most biological nitrogen fixation occurs by the activity of mo-nitrogenase, found in a wide variety of bacteria and some archaea. Mo-nitrogenase is a complex two-component enzyme that has multiple metal-containing prosthetic group. An example of the free-living bacteria is azotobacteria. Symbiotic nitrogen fixation bacteria such as rhizobium usually live in the root nodules of legumes such as pea, alpha and locust tree. Here they form a mutualistic relationship with the plants, producing ammonia in exchange of carbohydrates. Because of this relationship, legumes will often increase the nitrogen content of the nitrogen poor soil. A few non-legumes can also follow such symbiosis. Today, about 30% of the total fixed nitrogen is produced industrially using the Haber-Bosch process, which use high temperature and pressure to convert nitrogen gas and a hydrogen source, natural gas or petroleum into ammonium or ammonia. Nitrogen assimilation. Plants take nitrogen from soil by absorption through their roots as nitrate ions. Nitrate ions or ammonium ions. Most nitrogen obtained by terrestrial animals can be traced back to the eating of plants at some stages of the food chain. Plants can absorb nitrate or nitrite from the soil via their root hairs. If nitrate is absorbed, it is first reduced to nitrite ions and then ammonium ions for incorporation into ammonium or ammonia acids, nucleic acid and chlorophyll. In plants that have a symbiotic relationship with rhizobium, some nitrogen is assimilated in the form of ammonium ions directly with the nodules. It is now known that there is no more complex cycling of ammonia acids between rhizobia, bacteroids, and plants. The plants provide ammonia acids to the bacteroids, so ammonia assimilation is not required at the bacteroids pass ammonia acids, that is, with the newly fixed nitrogen, back to the plants, thus forming an interdependent relationship. While many animals, fungi, and other heterotrophic organisms obtain nitrogen by ingestion of ammonia acids, nucleotide, and other small organic molecules. Other heterotrophs, including many bacteria, are available or able to utilize inorganic compounds such as ammonium as sole and resource. Utilization of various nitrogen sources is carefully regulated in all organisms. Now it's time to check your knowledge about today's topic. Here are some questions as your assignment. I hope you understand today's topic. We again meet with new video. Till then, stay at home, be safe, be happy.